Are you tired wasting hours browsing through websites, reading long PDFs, and watching long YouTube videos? Well, in today's video, I have some tools that will summarize everything that you can think of, from browsing a web page to reading a long PDF file, or you can even summarize watching long YouTube videos. And lastly, you can even summarize audio. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and summarize anything using AI in seconds. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. So if you're one of those people who love to watch YouTube videos, this tool is perfect for you, because you can now go ahead and summarize a long YouTube video and only get what's important. I'm going to leave this link at the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, you want to open up the chromewebstore.google.com and you can just navigate through YouTube Summary with ChatGPT, which is with Rapid. Once inside, you want to click on Add to Opera and you want to click on Add Extension. Now after clicking that button, it will instantly add VidRapid into our extension to our browser. Once added, you want to navigate through a YouTube video that you want to summarize. So let's just go ahead and say that I want to summarize this specific video from Apple, and as you can go ahead and see, you can instantly click on Continue with Google. If you cannot go ahead and see this button, you can just go ahead and refresh the page in order to see this button. Now once inside, you want to click on Continue with Google. Now after signing in your Google account, you can just go ahead and click on Summarize Video. Wait for it to load in, and after a few seconds, we have managed to summarize this 38 long video. You can just scroll down to see the full summarization of the video, and once inside the vidIQ page, you want to scroll down until you see everything that they have inside right here. So first things first, we have the entire summarization of the video. If you want to hear the summarization, you can just go ahead and click on the play icon.
The video introduces the biggest day for iPad since its introduction, highlighting the impact of Apple Vision Pro and the success of the new MacBook Air.
And if you scroll a little bit further, you can now go ahead and see the timelines inside our VidRapid. For example, we have the 49-second timeline, introduction to the biggest day for iPad since its introduction. And if you want to go through these timelines right here, you can just go ahead and click on the timeline beside the title. For example, we have the introduction to the new iPad Air, and if you want to specifically navigate through that section, you can then go ahead and proceed by clicking on the timeline right here.
Affordable price. That's why a wide range of users rely on it to do so many different things, like college students who use GoodNotes.
And we also have our transcript for VidRapid. Inside the VidRapid section, you will then go ahead and see a summary and transcript section. You can just go ahead and click on the transcript section, and now we will be taken to the transcript of this specific video. For example, at the timeline 49 seconds, Tim Cook will say good morning. Now this is really useful, especially if you're studying for something and you really want to see the transcript for a specific video. And the best part is VidRapid Q can also go ahead and work without the Chrome extension. So to demonstrate, I will be turning off the extension for VidRapid, and after removing the extension, you can then go ahead and click on the link of a specific YouTube video. And just before the link, you can then go ahead and add sum, which spells SUM. And it will instantly take us to the VidRapid official website. Now, after signing in, you can then go ahead and see that it will summarize our video by just typing sum at the beginning of our link. We have our summary right here. We also have our transcript. And now for this one, we are going to talk about summarizing website. So if you're going through this website and it has a lot of pages, it is impossible to go through all of them within a few hours. Now in this AI tool, we are going to use this to summarize the entire website. So once again, I am going to leave this link at the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now unfortunately, Glimpse AI has been removed to the Chrome Web Store and I cannot go ahead and install this AI for myself. Therefore, I cannot go ahead and record how Glimpse AI works. But here it is. First things first, you want to head over to glimpse.surf and it is really simple. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on a chatbot like this one, and once inside, you will then go ahead and see the Glimpse AI logo. Now after clicking on that logo, you can then go ahead and chat with a chatbot inside Glimpse AI. You could just go ahead and click on the start button like this one, and once inside, you can then go ahead and start asking about this specific website. So as you can go ahead and see, this website is really long, and if you want to go ahead and summarize this website, you can just go ahead and type it inside right here. We can just go ahead and say something like summarize this website, and right after, Glimpse AI will respond to your questions. As you can go ahead and see right here, Squarespace is a popular website builder and hosting platform that allows users to create and maintain professional looking websites. So you will go ahead and get a similar results like this one. Heading back to the official website of Glimpse Surf, you can then go ahead and look through the features right here. Inside Glimpse Surf, we have the search function. We also have our features, which is more than a chatbot, real-time info, better as you browse, and cited responses. Lastly, we have the compare section right here. We have the ChatGPT, other AI extensions, and Glimpse responses. As we can go ahead and read right here, as of my last knowledge update in September 2021, I do not have specific information on a course with a code ACAD 147. And if we read the Glimpse response, ACAD 147 at USC refers to a course called Innovation Forum. And we can clearly see right here that Glimpse will perform better. And for our next tool, it is called AI Summary. This is a one-for-all tool because it can go ahead and summarize everything from your PDF file, Docs file, JPEG, PNG, MOV, MP3, MP4, and more. So to start, you want to head over to the official website. It is called anysummary.app, and as soon as you drag them inside, it will go ahead and process any file that you drag into this website, and it will go ahead and try to summarize that file. So as you can go ahead and see right here, after uploading your file, it will instantly summarize our file dragged inside our website. So guys, in that way, you will be able to summarize any files by using this AI tools. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.